Hey everyone, welcome back on my channel. It's Vishali, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make bridal flower jewelry, which is very easy to make. And here are some pictures of beautiful bride wearing the same handmade jewelry. This beautiful bride flaunting this flower jewelry on her Haldi function is my sweet sister-in-law. So I made this jewelry especially for her, and let's get started with the tutorial. For making this flower jewelry, you need tiny flowers. A few days ago, I have shared a video on DIY tiny flowers using foam sheet. Just click the cards to learn how to make these tiny flowers, or you can buy ready-made flowers of your choice. Here is sharing a quick DIY on how to make pollen for jewelry at home. You can skip this part if you already have this. For this, you are going to need sand, mustard seeds, glue sticks, and jewelry wire. You just need to cut this wire in 2 cm pieces. Now apply a drop of hot glue on one end of this wire, and before it gets dry, you need to cover this glue drop with sand. And just give it a shape of pollen this way. Now apply the hot glue drop on the other end of the wire, and you just need to cover it with mustard seeds. And the same way you need to give it a shape of pollen. So this is the easiest way to make pollen at home. It's very easy to make, and now we need to apply acrylic colors on it. I'm using 2 combination of colors, like one is pink and lighter shade, light pink. And for some of the pollens, I'm going to apply white and golden combination. Just apply light strokes of brush on pollen, and the homemade pollens are ready. Let's jump into the jewelry making now. First, I'm making earrings. So for this, take a foam sheet and draw 2 circles of 1 inch diameter on it. You are going to need 2 more circles of ½ inch diameter and 2 pieces of stone chains of 2 inches size. This is a pearl chain that I made using some white and golden pearls. Now you need to arrange these pearl chains and stone chains this way. Arranging the chains this way, it will get easier to stick these on foam circles. So this is how you need to stick these chains on foam sheet. Now you need to stick the pollens around the bigger size circle, and then we are going to stick the flowers. You can make flowers on your own or just use ready-made ones. I already made some, so using it. To learn how to make these tiny flowers, check out the link in description box. You'll get the detailed tutorial there. I suggest to make flowers at home as handmade flowers are smaller in size than ready-made ones. And for jewelry, such tiny flowers look really beautiful. I'm using 2 colors of flowers here. One is pink, the roses, and the yellow one. And once you're done with the sticking flowers, you see the gaps between these flowers. To just hide these gaps, I'm just sticking these pearls. Now you need 2 stud earrings hooks. Take 2 more foam circles and pierce the stud hooks into it, and using hot glue, stick it the way I'm showing at the back side of these earrings. So this is how these beautiful flower earrings are now ready. Isn't it beautiful and very light in weight? Let's make a neck piece now. I'm sure you're gonna love this one also. I'm making a choker. For this, you're going to need 2 rectangle pieces of foam sheet, size mentioned in the description, and a circle of 2 inches diameter. And you need some pieces of stone chains and pearl chains. Size you can take of your choice. Now stick pollens around the circle. And now we need to fill this circle with flowers. So sticking some roses and yellow flowers here. As you see the gaps between these flowers, we can fill these gaps by sticking some pearls. Now the circle is completed and we are going to stick these rectangle pieces now. So we need one small rectangle piece here, apply some glue on it, and the way I'm showing in the video, you need to stick and join these rectangle pieces. Here, as you see, the rectangle pieces are a little bigger, so I'm just trimming it out. As you see, the base is now ready, and now we are going to complete this by sticking some pollens and flowers on these rectangle pieces. So this is how you need to stick the flowers and pollen. This is as easy as it looks. Once your base is ready, you can just randomly stick the flowers. So here I'm using the roses and yellow flowers and randomly sticking these flowers on these rectangle pieces. Complete both the sides by sticking flowers, and as I already told you that when you see some gaps between these flowers, you can anyway fill it with sticking some pearls between it. To make it look more beautiful, I am sticking some flowers on chain as well. Now to tie this choker, you need a setted ribbon or any thin cord. Just stick it at both the ends and you're done. This flower neck piece is now ready. Let's make flower hand chain. For this, You need 1/2 inch foam circle. Stick a stone chain. Take a rectangle piece of foam sheet size mentioned in description. Stick pearl chains as shown in the video. Now let's complete the circle. First, stick a flower in the middle and around it stick pearls. For rectangle part, first stick pollens and then stick flowers. Same way, fill the gaps between flowers with pearls. Here I am using a wire to make a ring as I didn't have any base ring. You can use jewelry base rings here or just make one like me. This is an adjustable ring that I am making. So you just need to stick it on the round piece of foam sheet this way. Join the circle with the one that we have made with flowers and pearls. Now you just need to stick a satin ribbon or any cord to tie this beautiful hand piece on wrist, and it's done. Make another hand piece with the same method. By now you might have seen that flower jewelry making at home is really very easy, and you just need some patience and the basic material. So let's now make a maang tikka. So again, very simple method and it looks amazing. So for this, take a piece of circle of 1 inch diameter and a pearl chain. Attach hooks as I showed here at the end of this pearl chain. As you see, I have kept some gap between pearl chain. You need some stone chain to make such pattern here, and stick these chains on the circle this way, and then stick this pearl chain the way I am showing. You will need another pearl chain with a hook at the end of it, and this way you will have 3 parts of this maang tikka. So one which will go on maang and other 2 chains which will fall on forehead. You see, I sticked some flowers, some pollens and some pearls on this circle, and the maang tikka is also ready. I made a kamar patta as well using the same method but couldn't shoot the video. But the pattern is same as choker. So this is it for today's video. I hope this video will be helpful for you guys to make floral jewelry at home. This jewelry set can be used for Haldi or Mehendi functions, or maybe for baby shower. This set I made specially for my sister-in-law and she just loved it. I'm going to attach some pictures of her Haldi function in which she wore this jewelry set, and I hope you'll like this. So consider subscribing if you are new to this channel. Like, share and drop your feedback in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay safe and see ya.